Hello guys, how's it going? In this video, we will going to build this area in which I am using 4 individual divs. These divs are individually parents of itself because I am not using a parent div container here. Okay, so this is about the code structure. The code will be available on GitHub. First link in the video description. Go check out. And if you like this video, then please guys share my content. All I need your support and love. And if you have any question, then please comment down. And so without wasting any time, let's jump into the code. So this is our page that we are building, and I place this here, and this is our course area. Let's close this. Now it looks good. So first thing we do, we comment that now we are starting menu. So first section with the class menu part and with the ID menu, press enter and we make a section. And now we are building this. So div with menu heading. So this is h1 which says menu, and that's it. And now the second div, menu section, which contain a p tag. So I just copy the code here and paste it inside here. I don't know why this is not indexed. Now the next div with the ID of classic section and the ID of menu I. So we need 4 LIs here. So simply this rule 4 LI. Now I copy. So I copy the content from the page, and just to mention again, you will get your code on the GitHub, so you guys can able to copy and paste from there. Another section with the same ID, classic section and menu I. So we need 7 LI here. We need 7 LI here. 7, yeah, boom. So I copy the content and go on to page. I am running on live server, so just I have to save. Boom. All our content is here, and we are missing something. Headings. Yeah. The first one is the classic, so copy and paste. The second one, copy and paste and save. Boom. So we are finished with our HTML part. So now is the CSS, my favorite part. So first of all, tell the CSS that this is for the menu area, and we will achieve first this. So grab the section menu part, and the first property is background color RGB 248, 228 and 253. Boom. Yep. And now padding to give it some space, 2 rem. Yeah. Let's make it down and close a little bit. And then the next part is height. I'm giving you an example here of 5 rem, and you can see now our section has a height of 5 rem, but now this is not a part of our that section. because we specify that the section has a 5 rem height, so it covers 5 rem here, so it covers 5 rem here, but this content it displayed out of the section, like beyond that section. So we can solve this problem, like we can hide that content with the help of code overflow hidden, and boom, our content is gone which is beyond 5 rem. But we don't want this, and this kind of situation, like this kind of situation will happen when we resize our screen. So how we can get rid of this? We have to say the div or say the section that adapts the height according to the content which is present inside you, like a automatically height. So that code is for that is fit content, and boom. Now if we are resizing as many as we want, our content is always stay inside that section because the height is now set to automatically by fit content. You can say that here. You can see here now the height of the section is approximately 20 to 25 rem, but when I resize it automatically changed to 10 to 15 rem. So that is the good property of the CSS which I find it most valuable in some situation. That's why I want to include this here and help you understanding how the height property works. So we make our height, we make our section part. Now we're grabbing the heading. So menu heading. First thing, I just highlight that part again, and I want to make it center. And I told you in the previous video how we can make the content center with the help of grid. We say display grid and place item center. Boom. Now content is in center. And now the next part is line height property. First I highlight that, and then I here write line height to 5 rem. You can see, boom, we increase the height of our h1, and then letter spacing 5 rem. I increase the space between the letters, boom. And now it's time for the font styles, to change the font styles. So head to the fonts.google.com and search this one style. I want this, select this style, and I want the link. So first copy this in the index HTML, in the head tag right here, Roboto style, and paste here. So this is the link and this is the code font style. So in the CSS just type here font style and save. Boom, our style is changed now. So this is how you can grab any style on font, on Google's font, and just copy and paste the link tags and then place font family style on your CSS, then it will work. The next area is our paragraph tag. We have to just do simple here. First says test align, not center, justify, and a new property also, a word spacing 0.5 rem. Now I'm giving space here between words. In the upper part I'm giving space between letters. So we find a space between each word, and then if I make it bigger, this is kind of mess. I don't want this because in the part all of this is in center. So how we can make this center. We can use this display grid and place item center, but I'm using here something else, which is another way. Margin, not margin, first I say max width, which is another way. Max width 50 rem, not 50, 40 rem. Now our content has a width of only 40 rem here. The maximum width is 40 rem. It does not care how much is the screen size. The maximum width will be 40 rem. And now onwards, if I write here margin 0, 0 means top and bottom, auto means left and right. So it automatically set that content into center position. So this is also a nice way to place content in the center of the screen. We are going to build that part, so keep it here. So grabbing the classic section, so the menu eye has two divs, this one and this one also. So first property is padding top, because I give space from top 1.5 rem, boom. And now same thing, we want this to the center of the screen, 14 rem and margin 0 auto, we got it to the center. We can also make that happen if we make a parent div and we set that div of a width of 40 rem max width and set that div to the center with margin 0 auto or with display grid and place items. We can also do it that approach, but I follow this just to show it, just to give it an example, that's why. So now we are grabbing the headings. So first we grab the menu like a div part and then heading. So H1 heading is inside that div, that's why we're using a nesting CSS rule. And then we say I want line height to 2 rem and then letter spacing 0.3 rem. Yep. We can also make the style different, just search any new style. Yeah, lobster. So I select the style and then copy the link tag here in the index HTML. I paste it here, lobster, save, and then I just need the first one, save, boom, we got our styles. Now we do changings on our list parts. So we can leave it as it is. You can say the difference is just in the styles. So I also want some different styles. So head over to the Google Fonts. And in the next page, we have VARELA font and then paste. Then grab that font family in the list, copy and paste. We change our styles and then word spacing here 5 rem just to see. Yeah, that's look nice. And line height 1.3 rem. Yeah, that's look nice. and then the last one, text line justify. Yeah, we got it. And the last rule, prices can be clear. We got it. So this is all about, but we are not finished yet because we have to test this on our responsive page. This looks very nice. If I inspect, you can see how it changes styles. Just make it here. Yep, it's changing here. So this is what we have to do here. So this is all about, and if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and give me some support. Share my video with your friends, like the video, and comment down if you have any questions, and you can also reach me on my Instagram account. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.